What's up, my fellow traders? Let's hope this week I can finally trade like a professional and not blow this account. But yeah, that didn't really happen. I was trading my old Eval and managed to blow it like in 2 days. Luckily I had a free reset, so now I'm back with a fresh Eval account, ready to redeem myself and not fall back into my old ways. I'm usually fine with break-even trades, but this one almost made me crash out because I was up 27 points and the market completely reversed and hit my break-even without any warning. So after that I took another trade and used the Fibonacci retracement tool to see where the key levels were because I wanted to catch a market bounce. It started going pretty well and we had a decent move, but my break-even got hit again before it continued down. Then I thought, what if the double top reversed and just gave me a good shorting opportunity? But you know, I wanted to be green for the day, but I was completely wrong and it got wiped out for 200 bucks. After that I just called it a day because my head wasn't in the game anymore. So yeah, that's it. Today I let my greed take over because I had a free reset on my Eval, so I decided to go for some home run trade. The first trade actually made me insane because it stopped me out at like half point and then crashed down just like I expected. So it really made me mad. It made me crash out, so I just tried taking trades left and right. Then I tried another trade using the Fibonacci tool, and this time it really went my way. It held strong momentum, so I moved my stop loss to break even, which was the right decision because even though it reversed and hit break even, it would have stopped me out anyway if I hadn't moved it. That way I just protected my capital. Even though it didn't last long, I re-entered the trade trying to catch a big move with the 3 Nasdaq contracts. The third trade was actually going well, but I chickened out and closed it after just 3 points, which if I held, it would have gone my way and wiped out all my losses, maybe even reaching 1800 in profit, but it is what it is. Then I placed the fourth trade and I may have widened stop loss and take profit to try and catch a bigger move, but it was a wrong call and I got stopped out because I hit daily loss limit. After my daily loss limit got reset, I may have re-entered the trade in Asia session, which I didn't record, but it did stop me out and I did blow my account. So next day I'm getting a new account reset for free, and let's hope I can trade like a responsible professional trader. New Eval, new me. I'm going to trade like a professional and only take quality trades. Today it was clearly a downtrend, so I knew the market open would fake a move up and then crash down. So I waited a couple of minutes to watch it and then I decided to follow the trend, which was the right call. So I managed to catch it fast and secured 30 points in the first 5 minutes of the market open. And after that I just called it a day and left the charts. Today I'm going to show you what happens when the market is super volatile but your bias is still correct. After the market opened, it crashed down 40 points, and even though I tried to follow the move, I got stopped out because my stop loss was only 10 points. The volatility was insane and my position looked tiny, so I got stopped out twice. My next trade was also correct, but it got wicked out before moving down. On the third trade, I finally managed to catch the move and it went down to my target, so I ended the day green for 200 bucks. It was a profitable trade even though I was getting wicked out because of my tight stop loss, but it's better to have a nice risk management than to blow your accounts like I did in the past. Man, today's price action was straight up crazy. The market was so volatile I was getting stopped out left and right, like I couldn't even breathe before another trade smacked me. 3 trades in a row just gone and boom, I was down 600 bucks. At that point I was like, alright, this market clearly doesn't care about my levels, so instead of forcing it, I switched it up and started scalping, just taking those quick little moves. Had a couple of break-even trades, kinda annoying, but at least I wasn't digging myself deeper like in the past. Slowly I clawed myself back and by the end of the day I was basically break-even. So So yeah, I ended up Friday down like 30 bucks, but honestly that feels like a win for me because I kept my profits from the past days, and more importantly, I didn't let the market mess with my head like in the past when I blew like 5 accounts. Sometimes it's not about making a lot of money, you know, it's about surviving the madness and showing up again next week. So let's hope next week will give us something better than this one. Peace.